Hello and welcome back to my videos, and I really hope you want to enjoy this video about Docker. And I want to speak about the Docker network with the driver Brdige today, and how it's working and how you can create it, and how you can remove it again and inspect what's going on. But before we start learning about the Docker network with the driver Brdige, I want to show you all my own networks with typing to command line to Docker network and ls. You can see I have a bridge mode, then I have a host, and then I have a none. The driver is null, host, and bridge, and that's the three default networks you will have if you install the Docker desktop mode. So let's creating a first network with the driver bridge mode. And the thing you need to do is to say Docker network and then create, and I want to call it bridge test. Now you can see we have a ID here on the bridge. So let's call the network Docker network and ls, and then you can see we have bridge test here and the network ID. It's all of those. To get more information about the network, you can say Docker network inspect and then the bridge test. And if you're scrolling a little bit up, you can see we have the name, we have the full ID, when it's creating, and what's the scope of the network is, and the driver type. Have we enabled the IPv6? And that's fine, everything. And you can see we have not working with this network yet. And you can see we have the subnet is the IP, and with the gateway, I think that's to the Docker host, the container. I'm not 100% sure, but I know this is the IP address. So if we have two containers where we attach bridge test to, that's meaning they want to working in this subnet. So 172 and 80 and 00. That's the subnet. And the final word before we stopping this video, it's how can we remove the container again. So let's go into see the network. Sorry, remove the network, not the container. We are working with networks right now, sorry. So we have the list here with the bridge test, host, and none. And what we want to do now is say Docker network and rm, and then we only need the two first letter and cb, and then we remove this line, and then we can go up and see what's happening, and you can see it's now gone. So that's how you're working with the network and the driver bridge. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any comments, please make them in the comments fields below, and I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. And I hope you want to give it a like and share it with your friends, and of course make a subscribe for my channel to watch more videos from me. If you don't know how to subscribe, you can go for the right corner and press the thing below, and then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.